If you've ever cooked salmon, chicken, or other lean meats on your grill, you know that they love to stick to the grates. Here's a simple and easy trick to prevent that. Start up your grill and wait until it gets to your desired cooking temperature. Grab a raw potato and slice it in half. Skewer the end of that potato with a 2-pronged meat fork or a dinner fork. Then rub the exposed center of the potato onto the grate. By doing this, you're coating your grill grates with the starch from the potato, which creates a non-stick barrier. Here, I'm rubbing the potato on only the right side of the grill. And I'm going to put chicken on both sides to see how they do. And, as expected, the part of the chicken on the left side is sticking while the right side comes off easily. For more grilling how-tos and tips, check out CNET's Guide to Smart Living.